Hello and welcome to the Engineering CAD training tutorial. Common commands. The following default command shortcuts are commonly used. Type in shortcuts and hit enter or spacebar or escape to execute the command. Line. L, enter. This draws a line. Polyline. PL, enter. This draws a polyline. Circle. C, enter. This draws a circle. Copy. CO, enter. This copies objects from one defined point to another. Copy with base point. Control, Shift, plus C. This copies objects from a defined base point. Paste. Control V. It pastes. Paste as block. Control Shift V. It pastes as a block. Move. M, enter. This moves an object. Mirror. MI, enter. Creates a mirror image about a defined plane. Rotate. RO, enter. This rotates objects about a point at a defined angle. Scale. SC, enter. Scales objects about a point. Trim. TR, enter. Delete selected objects crossing, intersecting objects or lines. Extend. EX, enter. Extends selected objects to another object. Dist or distance. DI, enter. Measures a distance between 2 points. List. LI, enter. Defines properties of an object. Text. DT, enter. Creates a single line text. Text to mtext. TXT to mtxt, enter. Combines single line text to mtext. Mtext. T, enter. Creates a multi-line text. Align. AL, enter. Rotates, scales, and aligns concurrently by matching two common points. Layer. LA, enter. Opens Layer Properties Manager. xref, XR, enter. Opens External References Manager. Insert, I, enter. Opens Insert tab. Undo, U, enter. Undo previous command, which can also be Control Z.